Okay. Hello.
Okay, hello, good evening, Bro Brian.
Okay, good evening to you.
Okay, how are you today?
Mm,
Ooh,
uh,
what
Today I think
happened?
I'm not feeling that good. I feel kind of tired or stressed, yeah, because like
Oh,
my task today is slightly hard, maybe. I
mm-hmm.
think actually that's not that's not hard, but I
Mm-hmm.
think there is something that I missed. So the bug is happen and appear and destroy everything.
Mm-hmm. Have you
Yeah.
found the problem and solved it, or you still looking
Uh,
for what's wrong?
right now, I have some like hypothesis or uh, yeah, some assumption about that problem, but I still need to consult with my lead and but because I found the assumption in the end of work hours, so
Mhm.
the my lead is just it's already go home.
Oh, okay.
So
So
I
you,
still need to waiting him for tomorrow.
okay, okay. When this kind of thing happens, are you still, like thinking about it all night long when this kind of
Uh,
problem happens?
uh, yes, I still thinking about this, but I try to move on. I try to uh, redirect my uh, yeah redirect to or move to another topic like my hobby. Before this, I watch some movies or anime. Yeah,
Mm.
that is one of my hobbies, watching anime. Yeah, sometimes it's help for me, but when the when the film already ended, it start to thinking again about that
Think
problem.
about it again. It's come over and over.
Yeah, it's come over to over.
All right. Hopefully, the assumption that you think is the can solve the problem that you face now.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay.
I hope so.
Yes. All right. Yeah, because I can see from your face that you look so frustrated. I can
Yes,
see.
it's yeah. I can hide it. I cannot
Yeah.
hide it. It's
Okay.
just
So
naturally coming up
yeah, it's
to my
okay.
face. Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
All right. So ready for the class, Brother Ryan? Brother Ryan?
Yeah, I'm ready. I already read some material. I
Mhm.
saw the topic is disaster, right?
Yes, that's
Yes,
right.
natural disaster.
Natural disaster, exactly. And then hopefully it can a little bit distract your mind for a while, for an hour.
Yes, I hope so. And
Okay.
this topic it's kind of related about kind of related to the newest issues in our country, right?
Exactly. That's right. It's happening right now. What do you think about what's happening right now about the flash flood that happened
Uh,
in around Sumatra?
hmm, about happen in Sumatra. I have read some article or video that explain what happened in there,
Mhm.
and uh, I feel I feel say about them and also worry about them. Like there is some many the victim, right? Uh, there is death or missing or big uh, luka apa ya? Ya itu apa? Terluka gitu apa bahasa ya?
Injured.
Terluka, injured, get some injured also. Injured. Cedera, injured. Something injured. Get some injured and some influencer also this also explain the background of the story why the uh, uh, what the event that
Mhm.
uh, push this disaster one one of one of one of kind of apa ya biasanya salah satu one of the event is this government let the businessman to forest the for apa forest um,
Deforestation.
deforestation yeah kind of like that I think.
I see. What do you think about how, I mean, like the way our government face this issue?
Mm, I think the government that uh, maybe they try to help it, but I didn't see the the fast the fast of response that so they have yeah they moving very slow I think like uh, and yeah uh, not many news that government already giving the solution
Mhm.
and that is make the another situation like the people around there try uh, to steal the food or drink in the supermarket or uh, they try to looting the everything that they need
Mhm.
and what they try to steal it I think the government it's so to give them enough yeah, because there is the primer needs like we talked before about the food.
Mhm.
I think
That's
sometimes
right.
something kind of like that.
Yes. So the way our government addressing this issue is too slow than it's supposed to be. Exactly. All right. Have you ever experienced this kind of natural disaster? Probably it's not as big as this.
About the natural disaster, I think yeah, some natural disaster like flood or earthquake. Uh, it already happened to me, to my room, and to my house, and one of yeah maybe like flood or uh, earthquake just something like that.
Okay. How often is it? I mean, like, is it kind of regular?
Sorry,
How often is it happen? The
how
flood.
often does it happen? Oh, the flood. Fortunately, it's rarely happen. Like
Mm.
in my as long my life, I just have happened to me like maybe two or until 3 times, and it's not, and the the float that categorized in a big float or high float just once in my life that ever happened. That's happened when I'm like mm, 10 years old maybe, and the height of the water it's around uh, pinggang apa pinggang waist ya pinggang is a pinggang
Yeah, right,
pinggang waist ya
right.
jadi atau perut gue bilang
Mm-hmm.
ya waist ya uh, it's around weight uh, it's like a waist of old men yeah, and it's
Okay.
kind of height for me.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe like 1 meter or 1.5.
Oh, okay. When was it happen?
It's happened when I'm around 10 years old maybe. Yeah,
Okay, when you were
and because my home it's just like one floor.
mm-hmm.
Apa? Yeah, one floor.
Nice.
There's no second floor in there.
Mm-hmm.
We need to uh, move to the higher place. Like in that moment, me and my family uh, move. Kalau di bencana itu bahasa apa ya? Apa istilahnya kalau di bencana?
Apa tuh?
Kalau istilahnya di bencana itu ada kayak apa? Istilah pindah ke tempat yang aman. Apa? Bahasa
Mengungsi.
mengungsi apa mengungsi?
Mengungsi. You can use
Evacuation ya,
evacuate.
evakuasi,
Oh,
evacuate.
mm-hmm.
And we need to evacuate to, and yeah, we need to evacuate. We evacuate to uh, our neighbors because they have to the second floor, and we uh, sleep at there when the flood
Oh,
happened.
I see. How long you have to stay there in your neighbor place?
Gratefully just one night. Yeah,
Oh, okay, only
uh,
one.
just one night.
I see. What about earthquake? Have you ever experienced an earthquake?
Earthquake. Yes, it's ever happened to me. Uh, uh, I kind of forget when the last time I uh, yeah the earthquake happened to me,
Mhm.
but one earthquake that memorized in my mind is when I just when I like 4 or 5 elementary schools,
Mhm.
and the school is a high building. I'm at the fourth floor, and the earthquake it's feels scary. Yeah. The photos at the wall, and uh, the painting it's uh, apa started to falling down.
Oh, okay. Because of
Something like
the
that.
shaking of earthquake.
Yes.
I see, I see. How
In
big
the
was
in the,
it?
I forget how big is it in the seismic meters. Yeah. But I think it's big enough because the photo is just falling down, right? And in that moment I feel so scared, and I try to uh, move to apa bottom of table ya apa under the table,
Under
sorry,
the table.
under the table, because we are already because the school it's already try to simulate the earthquake, and there is the lesson there that they teach to us. Yeah,
Okay.
and however, actually my thesis in my college, in my degree before, it's
Mhm.
the topic is like disaster, uh, uh, yeah, it's like apa ya, uh, about disaster sih, about disaster, penanggulangan bencana itu apa bahasanya, uh, sos- uh, mitigation, yes, disaster mitigation. My topic in my the topic in my thesis at the college before, it's about disaster management for earthquake.
Okay. Okay. So it's related. I mean, like, what did you do for research about disaster? I mean, like,
Uh,
your major is not related to that.
Sorry?
Your major is not that
Yes.
related to natural
Yes.
disaster.
Yes. That's caused my second lecture in that helped me to build a thesis. It's
Mm,
from civil engineering.
okay.
Okay. So the program that I built that start the people can giving some barrier or making some area with polygon or circle
Mm-hmm.
in the maps,
Mm-hmm.
and the system will try to giving a point by point in every building in there,
Mm-hmm.
and every point in at the every point will take the photos of building
Mm-hmm.
from Google Maps API, Google Street View, Google
Okay.
Street View. That will take the photo, the Google Street View, and save it. And in the another feature, user can try to simulate an earthquake. They can choose the center of earthquake and giving the scale how big the earthquake, and try to simulate it. And after
Mm-hmm.
that, the point will categorize in damage level, like from D0 there's no damage, and until D5 that's
Mm-hmm.
the big damage, until and from the house to the uh, land. Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Wow.
something kind of like that.
That's interesting topic.
Yes, actually one of my user testing, or my user testing
Mm-hmm.
that I need to write it down in my thesis. It's from BNPB.
Oh.
So I'm making interview with the people in BNPB, and yeah, I think they interest with my product. Yeah.
Okay, I see. All right. Do you have a plan to take it seriously? I mean, like not only for thesis, but for the real project or
Ah,
something.
Actually, the thesis is from my docent, yeah, my docent, my lecture project. So
Okay.
he have a yeah, they have a project together, and the topic is need to build some software kind of like that,
Mm-hmm.
and he need to someone that build it. So they
Oh,
giving me the topic to build it. And
I see.
actually, there's a team, yeah. In the team is uh, in the team there are three people.
Mm-hmm.
One of them is me. to build it. Yeah,
Okay.
after the test is finished, they use the software right now.
Mhm.
3 people.
Okay. Right. So it's actually the idea. It's actually from your team. So it's
Yes,
not an
actually,
individual thesis.
yes.
Got it. Got it. Right. When you want to mention more than one person, you just need to put people without S because it's the plural shape of person. Jadi yang tunggalnya atau singularnya person, kalau yang pluralnya itu people. Jadi sudah tidak perlu dikasih S lagi.
Uh, the plural person is people.
Yes. Okay. And then, what disaster are you afraid the most?
Afraid the most.
Afraid.
Mm, I think tornado. Yeah.
Tornado.
Tornado. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
When I was young, when I child, I I often see the videos, the tornado videos in America, in the US, in from the YouTube, and
Mm-hmm.
it's very scary to me. Yeah. And however, in uh, uh, I ever saw the mini tornado, uh, so mini tornado what in
Mm-hmm.
Indonesia, like just just the height is just like 2 meters and very thin, and it's just moving in front of me when
Mm-hmm.
I going to my hometown.
In front of you, right in front of you.
Oh, in front. Uh, how you say like how you say like maybe yeah in front of us lah. Yeah, in front
Okay.
of our car.
Oh, okay, okay.
So we need
You
to
see it
stop.
directly.
Ah yeah.
Okay, you see it
Yes, I see
directly.
directly.
I see, I see. Okay. So is it destroy anything around you at the moment?
Uh, at that moment, gratefully no, yeah, because it's
Mm-hmm.
a tiny tornado.
Mm-hmm.
It's not dangerous, I think.
Mm-hmm.
And my father said it's kind of often happen in there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Oh, okay, just a mini tornado,
yeah.
gratefully. Okay. And then what do you think the most common disaster that's happening in our country in Indonesia?
In our country, most natural disaster that happen in our country is, I think earthquake and flood. The earthquake is often happen in this country because yeah we are located in ring of fire, and that's caused the earthquake which often happen, and also giving us much of volcano, yeah,
Mhm.
many of volcano,
Okay.
yeah.
Right.
And and about the flood, it's often happen because we are in tropical area, and we often uh, feel the raining, and yeah, rain. And about the people in this country are not uh, a lack of caring about the environment, about their environment, yeah.
Mhm.
We can saw in the city, some in the city or Oregon Sea, we can saw drain the drainage, apa ya, kayak selokan
Drainage.
drainage ya, the drainage is blocking with some trash in there,
Mhm.
so that's cause they are ignorant about that, and the trash making the drainage block stuck, and the water cannot moving to another place, and we have got the flow. and and they're still blaming the government, not started to see their self first.
Yeah, because actually it needs cooperation not only from the government but also from
Yeah,
the society,
also,
all the people.
yes, that's right.
And what do you think that we can do to prepare for flood since it often happens?
Um, the first for earthquake, we need to know how to uh, uh, mm, uh, we need to know what that move that we need the first act or the first move when the earthquake happen, like
Mhm.
going to under table or yeah, going under table. It's we need to know about that, and when the earthquake stop, we need to get out the building and stand in a wide area,
Mhm.
uh, going far from the high building. And for the float, we need to the first the first that the first and the most important that many people forget about it is mm,
Mhm.
place the trash in their place. Oh,
Mhm.
itu place bingung juga bakal apa mau sama kan tempatnya itu uh, that is the most important thing, the first that we need to to do it, and after that maybe the government need to control about the deforestation, deforestation,
Deforestation.
deforestation. Also need to start government and our as the people that live in this country, that the country that we love, we need to start it to rehabilitation.
Mhm. Okay.
Same thing, yeah, something can.
Reforestation,
Oh,
reboisasi itu
bisa
bahasa
reforestation.
Indonesia, ya.
Oh gitu.
Iya.
Okay, wait. Let me try. Reforestation. Reforestation. Ada nggak bisa sih rehabilitation. Deforestation.
Paling easy ya tinggal ditambahin cian-cian.
Iya. Deforestation. Oh, nggak tahu.
Reforestation, that's right.
Reforestation and deforestation. Okay, thank
Mm. Mhm. And then how do people usually help each other after a natural disaster?
you. How do people to help each other? I
Mm.
don't know. I don't think so. They will help each other, yeah, when they feel not safe. Apa? They feel not they not feeling safe about
They
themselves.
feel unsafe.
They feel unsafety. Yes, they feel unsafety. Uh, yeah, like the looting. Sorry, about the looting even before they try to steal the food and the drink. It's representation about they thinking their self first,
Mhm.
and yeah, we cannot just blaming them because the government also taking a responsibility about that. And after that, when when they already feel safe, they start to help each other.
Mhm. Okay. What is the best thing that you think we can do for helping the survivors?
Best thing. Uh, uh, First, I think when we get some advantage in financial, we can uh, try to donate some uh, our money or apa ya our money, and if you advantage in about the famous, you are influencer, you can start to influence the people what is happening there, and you can start to making some donation, making some platform to get uh, uh, some donation to help them. And if we cannot anything that we have to help them, we can start with the pray. Hopefully uh, they apa they're good in there. They're apa yang nggak apa-apa, ngerasa nggak apa-apa di sana gitu. Yeah, something like that. But,
They stay strong and be resilient.
oh ya, yeah. Resilient. Resilient itu apa tadi?
Resilient itu kayak bertahan gitu.
Oh ya, yeah. Bisa bertahan.
Dan
So yeah, we can hoping they can resilient in there and be patient about the event that happened to them.
Okay. So, when we saw the big impact, negative impact of natural disaster, do you think is there something that government can do or should do to reduce the risk of
Okay.
disaster?
But risk of
If
disaster.
yes, the risk of disaster, what government should be done to reduce the risk?
To reduce. Yeah, like the risk is always be around us, yeah. Always, yeah. The risk is in anywhere. Uh, uh, One of the biggest risk in sorry, one sorry, one things that government can uh, try to reducing the risk, I think, is maybe uh, try to control about deforestation, try to control about the mining and stopping the illegal mining also. It's good if they can stop about the mining in our country, because it's the biggest, I think there is the biggest reason why, yeah, the biggest reason why the natural disaster happen. It just make the natural disaster more bad and more yeah, lebih parah lah, more dangerous, I think.
Okay. All right. So they should create like the better community-based policy about deforestation and such.
Oh,
And then, what disaster do you want to learn more about?
the disaster that I want to learn more about. Um, mm, 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 I don't know. I think earthquake, yeah, earthquake because the earthquake one is related to my thesis, and I already learned uh, more about that in the civil engineering POV and the system software POV, how to reducing the uh, risk when that happen. Yeah, because the earthquake is um, often happen in our country. Um, ah, and I want to. Oh yeah. When I know, when I learn know, when I learn more about the tsunami in Aceh
Mhm.
and earthquake, yeah, tsunami in Aceh at in 20 sorry, in 2004 to 2007 maybe around that, and
2004.
2004, and also about the earthquake in south of Sumatra at the 2000 and at 2009. uh,
Mhm.
I want giving I want to giving my I want to yes, I want to help them with my knowledge. I want to giving some value in in the at the community with my in my field.
Mhm. You have to use in when you want to mention a year in 2004. Is there a warning system in your area before the
Uh,
disaster? Mhm.
um, I think no. Like about I never heard about the bell that ringing when the earthquake will
Mhm.
coming.
Okay.
The bell ringing when the area will when the flood will happen.
Mhm.
Yeah, we just saw the road, the water
Mhm.
getting high more than road. We just saw the uh, natural event maybe ya,
Mhm. Okay, I see. Natural sign.
natural side like that.
Okay. But have you ever heard or learned about that? That some country they have a warning system before the disaster
Mm-mm.
happens. Have you ever heard
Yes,
about that?
yes. I have learned about that. Like, actually in Indonesia we also have it. Like the tsunami, uh, tsunami, yeah, for the tsunami when the earthquake happened in and the
Mhm.
point of the center of earthquake happened in the sea, and the apa besarnya tuh berarti besar, and, uh, and the large
What
of
is that?
earthquake it's apa kayak besar gempa tuh, bang gimana berarti ya? Kayak besar gempanya tuh tinggi.
Oh, you mean the
Hmm,
tools? No?
no, about the scala Richter when
Mm-hmm.
when the scala Richter of the earthquake is high, and the earthquake potentially making a tsunami, and uh, the disaster mitigation organization in
Mm-hmm.
our country will giving some alert, yeah,
Okay.
like from media sosial
Mm-hmm.
sosial media, media sosial media ya, Pak.
Social media.
social media, in the social media, in the television, yeah,
Mhm.
they will give some alert.
Mhm. Alert. I see. All right. Have you ever tried to prepare for something like survival kit?
Sorry about the survival kit
Survival kit.
that I have about that. Or
Mhm.
what's
Have
the
you
question?
have you ever prepared for survival
Well,
kit?
prepare.
Mhm.
Oh, maybe for the natural disaster, we have not the survival kit. Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah, because gratefully the natural disaster rarely happen in my life, in my agency, in my city. Yeah, so we not have the survival kit one, and that's that's also make us like lack of like a sense of uh, natural disaster dangers maybe ya.
Okay.
Yeah, uh,
Lack of
yeah,
awareness.
yeah, lack of awareness, yes, lack of awareness about the natural disaster,
Okay.
so we not have the survival kit one.
Mhm. Because of it's rarely happen. So if you have to prepare for survival kits, what do you think should be included?
But this should be included. The first, I think, rubber boat. I think that was one of the most important that we need. Yeah, yeah. Maybe it's a kind of crazy to have it for the rubber boat, but in our country the flood it's often happens, and about the fact of uh, the the height of the sea, it's already more high than the road in Jakarta. So
Yeah.
the government tried to build some barrier or some wall, big sea wall in there in the near of Jakarta.
Mhm.
So because of fact that, I think the most important we should need is rubber boat. So we don't know uh yeah, we don't know, maybe the wall will break, maybe the water will break the wall,
Mhm.
or maybe will the earthquake will uh, happen in the sea with the big scalature and
Mhm.
making tsunami. Yeah. So yeah, I think we need to have the have one rubber boat.
Okay, rubber boat is the most important. Okay, yeah, that's good idea. Alright. When you want to say lebih tinggi, you have to say higher. Jadi bukan more high, tapi higher. Okay. And then, have you ever had experience like helping someone during a natural disaster?
Sorry,
Have you ever had an experience helping someone
helping
after
someone.
natural disaster or during natural disaster?
Hmm, I think I have no one of experience to helping people in disaster even. But however, I have some like unique stories. My father job uh, his job in the in the communication field, like
Mm-hmm.
the satellite tower, the communication tower. And
Mm-hmm.
when the Aceh tsunami happened in 2004, uh, he need to he need went to Aceh to fix some communication tower in there, and he tell me in when that happened, uh, many dead victim in there, like many people in like in the road, in uh, top of house, or the yeah, many dead victim in there, and uh, the view it scared him. Yeah, he feels sad, and uh, he feels sad and respect about that.
Okay, right after the tsunami.
Yeah, right after the tsunami.
Wow. Right. And then, what is natural disaster do you think that is easiest to predict?
Easiest to predict. Easiest to predict.
Mhm.
I think the worst, the most easiest is flood. Yeah, like we said before, like I said before, we can see the natural sign when the natural sign. Yeah, we can have uh, a sense of awareness if about the flood. Yeah, when the rainy happen, it's too long. Uh, yeah, too long. We can predict the area will be flooding. We can see when the water and when the water or river getting higher than the road. We need to aware about that.
Okay, that's the easiest to
It's the
predict the
easiest
flood.
to
Oh,
predict that because many the natural sign about the when the flood will come.
mhm. Okay. And what is the most memorable disaster story that you have ever heard?
Mm, I I ever heard.
Yes,
mm, mm,
probably about the miracle that happened during the natural disaster or something.
the memory that I ever heard is maybe uh, earthquake Aceh ya, tsunami Aceh,
Mhm.
because it's the very big earthquake, and the tsunami is give giving many dead victim in there,
Mhm.
and one of my close family,
Mhm.
one of my family, like my uncle, it's from Aceh also, and yeah, I uh, much heard about the story when the tsunami happened.
Mhm. Okay, I see. Are
A
you
huge one.
interested in are you interested in joining about volunteer to help the survivors?
Uh, oh, um, maybe it sounds evil, evil, but about the volunteer, I think that is kind of tiring, yeah. Yeah, maybe when the event close to me, I will help them. I interested to help them, help the victim there, but when even it's far enough for me, I think I just try to giving some support, maybe some donation that I can, and also about the uh, something like maybe that's enough.
Actually, kalau misal mau bilang natural disaster as an event itu agak kurang
Salah
tepat
ya?
ya.
Oh,
Iya,
tapi bisa bilang
sebenarnya itu betul artinya terjadi atau acara
kejadian.
gitu ya. Tapi kalau
Insiden. Oh iya, ada insiden.
event,
Oh
ya.
iya, tahu banget.
Kalau event tuh kayak lebih ke something yang memang
Insiden.
sudah dipersiapkan,
Oh,
konser dan lain sebagainya, acara. Alright, and then what about this? This one. Have you ever joined or donated to a disaster relief?
disaster,
Donated
disaster of
to a disaster relief.
sleeve. That's
Yes.
new. The new word.
Disaster relief kayak gini. Wait. This.
Relief. Oh, relief.
It means bantuan bencana.
Yes, I have. I have tried to help in through the donation in at one of influencer in YouTube that called Winda Basudara. Yes, in that moment he tried to make disaster relief in this platform, and yeah, I am the one of many person that contribution in that in that.
What is your consideration before you feel that, okay, I trust this platform?
Yes. Yeah. I think one of the reason that I trust him because just I like him maybe. Yeah. And he's a big influencer and many people watch what he do and what he did in his life, and because of that, if the if the if that person uh, not doing that not doing that he should to do, yeah, many people will angry and try to uh, hate that influencer.
Okay, hate and
because
protest.
because because the netizens, his fans is the the netizen, his fans is uh, uh, one of the source of his money. Yeah.
Okay, I see. So that's the consideration you take
Yeah.
before you decide to donate.
That's one.
Last one. What about the natural disaster that you think is the most unpredictable?
What is that?
What is the natural disaster that is the most unpredictable?
The most unpredictable. The most unpredictable is uh, earthquake. Uh, because the earthquake it just happen. Uh, just happen. There is no one about the natural sign when the earthquake will happen. Like even yeah, like the flood are many natural sign or the volcano when the volcano will happen it will started to giving will make the apa the cloud in the dark cloud also about when the forest fire also the will giving some smoke maybe yeah giving some smoke but the earthquake one there is no natural disaster natural there is no natural sign when the earthquake will happen I think. So the earthquake is the most unpredictable.
Unpredictable, okay. If you had only a few minutes to leave your place during natural disaster, what things will you bring with you?
Uh, hmm, I think uh, if I can choose the three things, the first that
Mhm.
I will take it is the my wallet
Okay.
because in my wallet there is my ID card and my identity identity
Identity.
identity the some cash maybe yeah. And
Mhm.
the second one I will took the handphone
Okay.
with the charger also
Yeah.
because the phone will give uh, if there is still have signal I can communicate with the other person
Mhm.
with my family also. And the third, I will bring the laptop maybe because my work, all of my works is it's already there.
Okay. You
I
still
can
think
I
about
can
work, even in natural disaster.
yes because my I just can get money from my laptop.
Hmm. Okay, okay, that's interesting. Okay, it is already 9 p.m., Brodrian.
Yeah,
What do
it's
you think
already
about
9
topic
p.m.
today? Is it easy?
Is it kind of hard? Yeah. Yeah. I learned many vocabulary
Mhm.
uh, today.
Okay, all right. Do you write it
Uh,
down?
yes, I wrote it down.
Okay.
I have some notes. I have some
Oh.
little notes for write it my new vocabulary.
Okay.
Maybe I just write it and
Forget it.
will not see again. But I try to not forget it.
Mm-hmm.
I
Okay.
hope. So. Actually, I know the vocabulary that I forget, but
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I
Just
just
forget.
cannot just forget it. Uh
Remember it.
I can remember. Yeah, I can remember. Just forget. I can remember it. Yes, yes. I just forget it and cannot remember it.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much, Brodrian, for coming today. We will meet again
Okay, okay.
tomorrow. So see you. Bye
Okay.
bye.
Thank you. Bye
You're
bye.
welcome.